Shibburn plunged to 2 million in the past 24 hours. What the heck has happened to Shiba? Why is this plunging all of a sudden? And let's talk about this right now. My name is Adam Shelton, and thank you for watching this video today. 2 million SHIB removed from circulation. Shibburn shared that amount of meme tokens transferred to unsuspendable wallets during the last 24 hours. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to this channel. Now, it's a little bit over 2 million SHIB versus 26 million SHIB in terms of the past 48 hours, I should say. Now, the burn rate today has dropped by nearly 100%. This time, only 3 burn transactions were spotted and published by Shibburn. Now, this is the burn rate, negative 92.69%. Last 24 hours, you've seen that thing go down, down, down. However, here's how low burns might be linked to the new SHIB game that was just launched, the Shiba Eternity. Now, some believe that there is a chance that Shiba might implement the play to earn model game and using SHIB tokens for purchasing stuff inside the game, even though it is not known for sure yet. But if this happens, the SHIB army might want to spend their meme coin inside the game rather than burn them away. That could be an option, we don't know yet. Even though in theory, these transfers to dead in wallets may lead to a price surge of Shiba. But it's only likely when nearly all of the circulating supply of the token is destroyed. Now, Shibburn plunged to 2 million in the past 24 hours. Something needs to happen. We do know why. It's because of this right here. Transfer of the unspendable wallets during the last time, and the last 24 hours this time was a lot smaller than before. But if this Shibburn can get linked to the game and things like that, this could help with the price, but it's really early to say. Let's see what happens in the future. My name is Adam Shelton, and thank you for watching this video today. Hey, SHIB burning, SHIB new game, and more SHIB news coming up. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you on the next video.